Philip. Namaste all. Now, GPS International, a division of Global Education Trust, is a registered Cambridge school, and we offer lower secondary Cambridge for grades 6 to 8, IGCSE, the 9 and 10 equivalent, and AS A-level program to students. Now allow me to take you through GCE A-levels. Students need to have completed grade 10 to be eligible for AS A-levels. This is a 2-year program that prepares students for university education in India and overseas. This program focuses on in-depth learning through a smaller number of subjects catering to each student's area of interest. The recommended number of subjects for eligibility to higher levels of learning is 3 or 4. Here I would like to add that each subject that you take is a qualification in itself. So you have an A-level in accounts, you have an A-level in physics, or you have an A-level in maths, and then you group them together and that gives you your equivalence to grade 12. The curriculum is structured and designed to help students become self-directed learners, making them future ready. This course is recognized by universities around the world, gives students significant university credits to start with, and also equips them with the fundamental knowledge needed for advanced university courses. But please choose subjects to suit your future learning, even though we talk about flexibility. So always look at the eligibility criteria of the universities that you plan to apply and work backwards. That's exactly what Mr. Dilip was also sharing in his previous presentation. You will be ably supported and guided by our faculty. They are Cambridge trained and they are also part of the Cambridge global community. So sufficient support will be provided from school itself. Now talking about assessment and evaluation, Cambridge conducts 3 series of examinations in October, November, February, March and May, June. February, March is a popular series in India and our students also appear in February, March. There will be 2 external examinations, one at the end of year 11 or AS and at the end of year 12, which they call it A2. AS and A2 together is what the A-levels is about. And 50% weightage is taken from your AS levels and carried forward to the A2 level. So this is how your marks are calculated. But during the course of study, we conduct internal examinations like term review, monthly review, pre-boards, etc. to prepare you for the boards. Assessments include written examination, practicals, coursework for subjects like art and design, travel and tourism, research work for global perspectives. Now, speaking about written examinations, now instead of a single 2.5 or 3 hour paper, you will be attempting multiple components, multiple exam papers with MCQ, short answer structured questions, case studies, and these exams will be of shorter duration and the weightage taken will be added as your final mark. A star is the highest achievable grade and E is the lowest grade. Cambridge ACE Diploma, AICE Diploma, is a group certificate which does not require any additional examination to be written. So A-level students are eligible for this diploma if they choose one subject each from the different learning areas like math and science, humanities and arts and languages. However, global perspectives and research will be a compulsory subject to qualify for ACE diploma. Now the advantage is, it's a competitive advantage. Universities give credits to children who have ACE diploma and that sets the candidate apart from other applicants. Similarly, you will also get college credits or advanced placement, allowing you to accelerate your undergraduate studies. So these are the benefits of ACE diploma. Now, continuity in education and recognition and acceptance in Indian universities is an often raised query by many parents. We can confidently say that our students have qualified the national and state entrance examinations and have been placed in various institutions like IIT, IIM, TKM College of Engineering. Some of them are doing medicine, Symbiosis, VIT, all the institutes and many of the institutes in India. And also in Ivy Leagues like Brown University, London School of Economics, King's College, etc., just to name a few. Now, while this gives you a complete overview of the Cambridge curriculum, we are also delighted to share that since 2011, we have had 5 world toppers, 5 India toppers, and 17 high achievement awards. Thank you. So this year in January, Shreya S. will receive the Outstanding Cambridge Learner Award for High Achievement in AS Level Environmental Management. We recognize that academic excellence is just one aspect of students' growth. I'm actually repeating what Mr. Dilip said here. So we also give equal importance to career counseling, co-curricular activities, student well-being initiatives. By integrating these essential elements, we empower students to become confident, reflective, responsible, engaged, innovative learners ready to take on to the world. Now let me invite Ms. Tina Joshi to take you through the IB curriculum. Thank you.